Question is, why are we here? Well, we're here every year, and we've been doing this for quite a number of years, advocating for SUNY. I think, as you can see from our displays, we are more than just college and university professors. We are doctors and nurses at our teaching hospitals. We're financial aid counselors. We're admissions counselors. We're librarians, among many, many of our other professions. But this year, we face the worst year that we've had in a long time. The budget cuts that SUNY has suffered, and by the way, SUNY took the largest hit, some 26% of all the budget cuts, is a serious threat to the vital health of SUNY. We can't absorb any more cuts. The budget knife has gone deep into the bone, and we just don't have anything left. But we want you to understand what the consequences of this would be. For our students, thousands of qualified students will be denied admission. Those who are coming in from our community colleges or coming in as brand new students will be turned away. Our cuts are going to mean we're going to have fewer faculty and support staff to serve those students, and our quality academic programs and support services are going to be seriously jeopardized. What we're talking about here are courses being canceled and even graduations being delayed. Some of our students may have to attend an additional semester or maybe even an additional year to get the courses that they need. That's costly, it's unfair, and it just is intolerable. For our teaching hospitals, SUNY's 3 teaching hospitals are now at their breaking points. The governor has proposed a $25 million cut in state support. What this means is that medical education and medical care services are going to be slashed. These are major consequences that will shortchange not only our hospitals, but our health science center teaching mission, as well as patient care. We can't afford in this state to be without quality public health care. So, what is our agenda and how can our legislative partners help us? Well, it's quite simple. You can restore, at least in part, if not all, the $148 million that SUNY was cut in the current fiscal year. You can increase SUNY's operating budget, and you can raise revenue through a progressive income tax. We'd also like you to approve the $75 million in the governor's budget that has been set aside from SUNY's uncommitted reserves to protect access to students and faculty and staff positions. We want you to reject SUNY's land lease propositions because they largely affect our campuses and do not have the proper legislative oversight. For our hospitals, roll back the $25 million cut and in fact add another $40 million to keep our health science centers vital. For our members, we'd like you to reject the governor's proposal to cut open our contract and remove our 3% negotiated increases, as well as create an additional pay lag. And we'd also like you to reject the governor's call to have NISD merge with the AG. So this is not our final call, but it is an important call. We need you, our legislative partners, to come to the aid of SUNY. We need you to provide more funds for campuses and hospitals, and we know that you understand that by doing so, you will help SUNY stimulate the economy of New York State. This is one way that we can bring our state out of its deep financial crisis. Simply put, ladies and gentlemen, higher education and health care are 2 vital essentials that New York can't afford to lose.